to Swagatam, lovely people. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and I welcome you all back to another episode of Vishistic Vibes. Okay, so today I'm all ready, in bright colors, where I'm going. Actually, I was using a mobile protector. It's like a screen guard. Basically, it is a solution instead of a temper glass. Because temper glass you put today and tomorrow your phone falls, you'll get a crack on that, and again it'll be a problem. So when I was having such a mega phone, I wanted to have a nice solution. So what I did is, when I was in Chennai, I was going around the mall and I just found this shop called as iQoat, where they had a beautiful way of, they had a protective layer that was being put on the phone, and it was acting like a screen protector, because even when it falls from a tall distance, nothing was happening. So all the details about that I'll go over there and tell you guys. But right now what happened is, in this lockdown, that peeled off, and the best thing is it has a lifetime warranty, and it has like lifetime replaceable for free. So I know that in Balagata Mall there is one outlet of iQoat, but I don't know whether it is open. So let's take a chance, and I am ready to go to the mall. Yeah, it is a bit risky, but yeah, I'm going with full precautions and protections. So yes, I'll see you on the road. I think there is too much of traffic in this toll booth. I don't know for what reason. Yeah, this is a nice road. I'm taking the nice road to go to Banarghata, because that is a little bit of easy way than going through the traffic. And the road is also really nice. The Mausam is awesome. Yeah, look at the clouds. It's beautiful and blue sky. So I thought, okay, I'll go through this way only. That was, oh my god, I couldn't stand there literally. It was so hot. I'm humid, but the clouds are really beautiful. Yeah, and the bike is running, it's actually pretty good. iCode protection. More details about this I'll go home and tell you, but right now thanks to these both who just replaced this for me, and a big thumbs up for them. iCode, just follow them on Google and click on their website, you'll get a lot of details about that. The pricings I've put in the video, just see that, and more details about this I'll go home and give you. Okay, right now bye. So all the shops in the malls are completely open, and I must tell you they have maintained it really well, because everything is so perfect, and they have maintained, they have social distancing steps, and even everything is like they're properly sanitizing, including our shoes when we are coming inside, and it is safe. Yes, all the shops are open, including the small shops like this. That is from where I did my iCode protection. Baki sab, badhiya. I'm very impressed. And yes, right now there are no much people. It is all khali. But I think in upcoming few days, when people start living, we have to come out and get things. So now I just came out because I had to do this. I wouldn't have come to the mall. Just kidding. I just wanted to do content for you guys also. That is why I came. So overall, the place is very well maintained, and I am very impressed. Big thumbs up, Royal Meenakshi Mall. I think they're maintaining it really well, and even this railings they're coming and wiping after every interval. So people over here are really working really hard for that, and big thumbs up to them. And you can also see even the stores down have opened, like Roma and all the eatables are open. I think they're only having takeaway. So I'll see if I can get something for takeaway, otherwise I'll just head home, because no more risk. I'm wearing all the gloves and all, but still safety is important. Okay, see you guys then. Bye bye. I think I'll go out and then vlog. So right now I'm just leaving off from this place. Once again, a 360-degree view of what is happening. Oh, things are very fine. Once again, a big thumbs up to Royal Meenakshi Mall. Bye bye. Actually, talking about that iCode, it is like a protective layer to your phone. So initially they charged me around $1,000 for my front side of the phone. It is very much better than a tempered glass, because whenever our phone falls down, immediately, even after the next day of putting of tempered glass, you will get a scratch over there. And seeing your phone with a scratch is a very hard thing to really gel with, because I am not a person who can be happy with that. So what I did when I saw this in the mall in Chennai, I really wanted to put this on, so I just put this on, and it's been there for around 1 year. So till now I've done 2-3 replacements totally, because the first time it got peeled off a little bit, I replaced it completely. Now this is the second time I've replaced it, and the replacement is for free also. So I thought this is really worth the product to promote, and also the service is also really good. But this time what is happening, because of this pandemic, I think their material is getting a little bit problematic. So they are just costing, they are like charging around 100 rupees for the service charge. But they didn't charge for me this time, so I'm happy for that. So anyway, this is a very good product. If you guys really want a good protective layer for your Menga phones, and it should look neat and nice. Mine is a matte black finish, as you've seen in the video. I'll just play it down now. It is a matte black finish, and it looks really good on your phone. So they have both matte black as well as glossy. So just go and check that out. So that was the whole experience of me going to the mall in this unlock situation. And yes, I loved everything about going to the mall. That vibe was not there because there were no people there. So one thing, the safety was very much assured. Second thing, they are sanitizing and cleaning the whole mall very well. And third thing, there are very less number of people. So obviously, if you wear a mask and if you go there, it is completely safe. So in case if you want to buy something from the mall in the near future, then don't hesitate to go, because in the end we have to start living with this pandemic, and we have to overcome this. And they are also maintaining enough safety standards there. So I hope this video was really helpful for you guys if you're planning to go to the mall or something. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, because it is free and it gives me a lot of confidence from inside when people subscribe to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Vishal and I bring about beautiful and entertaining videos to you. I try to do it every 2 weeks a video, and I'll try improving the frequency soon. And yes, there are about 2 more videos that is lined up. Those 2 videos might seem interesting for you guys in the future. So if you don't want to miss that, please hit on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon below. So until next time, it's Vishal signing off. Live your dreams, love your life. Bye bye, take care. Boom.